Here's a little video for in case you guys are wondering how a Toro hedge trimmer inside is working. This is a 40-volt hedge trimmer. The battery actually connected the bottom here. It sends the power through this trigger and then sends back the power through the motor. At the bottom here you can see there's a little gear. That's the gear from your motor, and that transfers the power to a second gear on this side here, and then this one actually sends the power to this gear at the back, which is supported with a bearing at front, and then in return it turns this big gear here. And then this is what's broken in this particular machine here is there's actually two pins that goes through this gear, and then when this edger is bolted here, this goes through this hole here, and those two pins are actually connected here. And as this is turning with the pins, then it makes this side of the cam move down, which push this whole bracket down, and then as it turns again and it keeps moving and getting bigger and bigger on this side, and it brings it back. So this cam is what's moving up and down like this. So what happened here, it's maybe the branch was too big or something like this, and it jammed up in between and it broke those two pins, so the cam is not turning. But we know that everything else on this machine is good because everything is turning, even this gear here. To fix this tool, what I would do is drill those two pins out and replace them with roll pin, then the tool is good to go again. If you find this video useful or interesting, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Whoa, don't miss the next video. Ooh, I tell you, you'll like it.